Before we get started with this video, you can get 3-month free trial with our links down below on your Shopify store. Now let's get started with the video. So today I will show you how to use Shopify search and discovery app. Now if you don't know what app I'm talking about, this is the app that I'm talking about. This app helps customers find the right products and sell more using Shopify's free search and discovery app. Now as you can see, this is basically the back end of the app. We also have a couple of things that you can do within the app right here. As you can see, creating synonym groups, creating new boosts and stuff like that, adding filters for your products, and overall just making your products discoverability better. So as you can see, this is just one way how you can use it. So for example, once you go to the apps and once you click on search and discovery, you can actually create and edit filters. So that's first thing that you can do. You can open filters to edit your filters. Shopify includes availability and price as preset filters. However, you can also add other filters and you can just select edit filters and add your new filters. So that's how you can create and edit filters in Shopify search and discovery app. Now, configuring search features, that's also very important if you want other users to search for your particular for your particular items or products. You can go here and click search, and once you go to search, you can add synonyms, so alternative terms for search queries using the search settings. So I don't know, let's say you are let's say you're selling cars. A Ferrari can be a synonym to a car, basically, right? So you can do that. Obviously, you're not going to sell Ferraris on your Shopify store, but you get the point. So yeah, as you can see, team search features may conflict with the search and discovery app synonyms feature if the synonym term has spaces. So again, they're currently fixing this conflict, but they recommend avoiding spaces in synonyms if errors occur. Now, promoted products, again, you can use product boost settings to promote products in search queries. For example, to put one product above another one or vice versa. So you can customize product boost that way as well. For recommended related products, as you can see, you can go to recommendations and then you can open recommendations to edit related products that are recommended. So let's say you are selling cars and you want other cars and other maybe vehicles to be on the recommendation side, because those are the same things. So if someone is purchasing cars, that person will probably be interested in cars. So that's what you can do. So these are three different features that you can use in search and discovery app. You have filters. Again, this includes availability and price. You can add preset filters. You can add other filter types and edit filters. That's one thing. You have a search features. So when someone searches for your products, again, you can add synonyms to those particular features, search features. And then you have obviously promoted products or product boosts. And then you have also recommendations, which are great for related products or to show related products to your customers. So in a nutshell, this is how you can use Shopify search and discovery app. I didn't go too deep into it, but it's a very simple app to use. However, if you want a more deeper tutorial, I can definitely create one. So guys, if you want, you can get up to 3-month free trial with our links down below on your Shopify store. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video useful.